2, 1. Hello guys. Vas-y, viens, on fait ensemble. 1, 2, 3. Hello guys. Good morning guys and welcome to a new vlog. Hi guys, today I'm on holiday. I'm in Dubai and I have two people here. My sister and Brit. You saw her when I did my vlog to Disney. Hi! So now we're just heading to the metro station and we're going to go to the Dubai Mall. My sister has been here a few times, but for my best friend it's her first time. So I'm just gonna go and do a walk around for her. Let's go. We just arrived in the Dubai Mall and this one is like crazy. She's like, wow, it's so huge. It's so beautiful and big, right? And it took us a long time to walk up to here because we took the metro station, so it's a long walk. School activity to go to the aquarium. So cute. We're going to the pool, right?
Ouais, non. Non. C'est une piscine là. C'est quoi? Mais on est où là? Mais ils sont ça déjà?
Look there. It's the Burj Khalifa. But it's very blurry, guys. You can't see anything today.
Elle est trop style.
Elle est trop heureuse. Mais là, on voit rien du tout.
C'est trop beau.
Oh là là, c'est vraiment... Voilà, ça me tient.
J'ai mis Bourges, mais Burkina.
Burj Burkina? Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa.
That's not a pool. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, so we just arrived in the Burj Khalifa and now we're gonna eat breakfast at a restaurant called Shakespeare. It's a very nice restaurant, so yeah, that's where we're going right now.
Hola.
Il y avait un pilon.
On sirote ou pas déjà?
Non, ah ouais, si, sirote.
So I have avocado and egg. That's actually the best breakfast ever. Avocado and egg, and this is the hot sauce. Oh, it's very good. And the girls, they took pancakes.
Hey.
That's good.
With some maple syrup, and that's very big. And we have some fruits salad. Bon appétit.
Bon appétit. Le fais me rentrer dedans.
Did you like Shakespeare? Was it nice?
It was very nice and very good.
And very good, very tasty.
Oui, very tasty, oui. Very tasty. Hello guys! We are in the Dubai City.
Dubai
City. Oh, Dubai Mall. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. So, you can see the Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa.
J'ai trop mal. Je suis désolée, mais moi je suis amateur seulement, donc bon. Vous me pardonnez?
Attends, vas-y, arrive. Va comme ça tu marches par la caméra. Et moi je fais après. Ah non, stop, va pas comment tu montes sur la caméra. Ah, ça y est, ça commence. Oh, t'as vu? Viens. Tu filmes là?
Oui.
Oh, the show is beginning. There's a few show with the water here next to the Burj Khalifa. It's like Las Vegas. And the most beautiful one that you can see is at night, but there is some as well in the afternoon. Maëva? Dubai Aquarium. T'as vu les poissons, Brit?
Ouais, j'ai vu the fish.
And the shark as well. So here they're making like handmade candies. Hello.
Peace out.
Peace out. Want a coffee, Georgia? Money, guys? I'll be in Dubai. So guys, we quit downtown where the Burj Khalifa. Now we are in the old Dera. So we came for the souk, the gold souk, and everything. Like if you want to buy some stuff like cheap and local, you can come here in the Dera Creek.
Where are you from?
France.
Excuse me.
Bonjour. Ah bah là t'es parti là, Brit. Hein.
Oh, Natasha.
Natasha, yeah. Now we're gonna take a boat to go on the other side.
Hello, like good, very good.
Guys, we are in the boat right now.
Yeah.
And just for 1 dirham, you can just cross to go to the other side. Instead of taking the bus, you can take the boat. Very nice.
C'est combien ça?
Pourquoi?
Là.
L'Atlantis?
Ouais.
Je sais plus combien on a payé.
Hyper cher, c'est 100
Non.
C'est 100 euros.
Andréa? Tu fais nulle part. Hein. It's hot in Dubai. They're like all sticky girls.
Oh. En fait, ça nous a filmé normal.
Now they
Non mais grave.
They just told me like we want to go to the pool at your house because it's too hot right now.
Yeah.
And it's not even summer, guys.
Il fait
Imagine.
trop chaud, nous on veut aller dans l'eau.
Bah oui.
Non, on veut swimming pool.
Of a swimming pool. Yeah. Guys, this is the second day now for them, and we are at the pool, one and only Marriage, I think that's the name of the pool, and it's very beautiful. The girls are like, wow, 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 where are we right now? So I'm just gonna show you right now. How is it? Happy kid in the sun. So we just stopped for lunch now. Stop. We were just in the pool actually. How is it?
Wonderful.
You like it, huh? Très très beau.
It's very beautiful. Franchement, j'étais éblouie. J'étais éblouie. Je fais waouh. C'est trop beau ici.
J'adore, franchement, au top. They were shocked when they came in. I'll try to put some footage of her snaps if she sent it to me, because you will laugh so much. Like, you know, she was like, wow, this is so beautiful. Like when we arrived, there was like someone waiting for us with a little car. They drove us up to the beach here, and she was like, oh my god, but this is for us. We're gonna go like this. We're not gonna walk. Blah blah blah. It was.
C'est trop vrai en plus.
It was so funny. Anyway, so now we just stopped for lunch, and then we're gonna go back to the pool.
Carrément, c'est des serviettes. Après, j'ai pris une serviette, j'ai senti carrément.
Elle dit ah ça sent la rose.
Ah ouais, de la serviette.
Ready to go in the car.
Yeah.
So we came to a desert safari now. We're on. Non, ça va pas.
Excuse me, back seat. You hold on that, okay? Hold on. Yes, hold on, okay?
Hola.
Hola, hola.
Ready to go?
Yes.
Oh
On est où là? On est où là? C'est quoi ça? Ah, tu m'as pas prévenu hein? Non mais on dirait on a dit
It's okay. Bah oui.
Moi je peux même pas.
Thank you, it's better.
Moi j'ai des yeux. Non, on va pas descendre. Hein?
So.
Non mais hey, calme. Magsok ka dito isa ba?
Wala ko na ismena!
Effectivement, mais c'est trop marrant. Oh là là! Oh putain! Oui. Elle en descend! Oula!
How was it?
Wow, c'était so fun, so cool. Mais c'était trop bien. C'est trop bien.
The name is Fun Tour. Did you like it, guys? Okay guys, it's Friday now. Tomorrow is the last day of the girls and we just came, we didn't do much today, we just stayed at the pool in my house. And now we came to GBR beach to just have a walk around. There's people like, it's just like one of the main beaches in Dubai. And we're just gonna come and eat here, and there's also like many people here like selling some stuff, so it's a quite nice evening, right girls? They're always taking pictures and everything.
Bah ouais, normal.
J'ai pas entendu ce qu'elle a dit.
Elle a dit, elle prend toujours des photos.
Bah oui, on prend toujours des photos, évidemment, on est trop belles.
Toi aussi hein.
Non mais je vais mettre ça. Ils font des pique-niques.
Ah ouais. Mais la mer aussi, c'était pas mal hein.
Ouais, c'était nouveau. C'est en construction encore, elle fait tout le temps ses snaps.
C'est trop marrant.
Kid ever. My
Baby boy, baby boss, that's the name. Baby boss is on in GBR.
Puppy company. Yes.
So this is the last day for the girls. We just went to Soukiem beach, where is the Burj Al Arab, and now we came to the Medina Souk to have like a walk around, and we're gonna eat an ice cream, and then we're going to a show called La Perle. So very excited because it's been a long time that I wanted to go there. It's like a circus, like Cirque du Soleil, but it's like in Dubai, La Perle, and it's a very famous show here. So let's go. We made it. We were looking for a restaurant for half an hour and we found it. And when you go to a restaurant in Dubai, you have turtles. You can see turtles. Where are they? Here. Look.
Ah, il y a Dory, il y a Dory.
Il y a Dory.
C'est Dory, non? On dirait Dory. On dirait
Look at
Dory.
the turtles. Hello.
Elles sont belles, mais elles sont exportées.
Les pauvres.
Allez, nage, mon petit, nage. Mais il n'y a pas de vie en fait.
That's the kind of ice cream you get when you go in Dubai. Everything is in big.
Very big.
The hotels are big, the ice creams are big, the lunch is big. Everything. They see everything in huge, very huge. So this is an, what do you call it? Cotton candy ice cream. Let's taste it. Vas-y. Tu veux goûte? C'est dur à boire.
Mais c'est super bon. J'ai galéré. Vas-y, essaye. Moi je veux juste avoir
C'est bon, c'est quoi? C'est de la...
En fait, c'est à la
fraise.
C'est à la fraise, c'est super bon. Et attends, et ça, attends.
Ça c'est la banane.
Je t'ai dit, il y avait plusieurs goûts.
Bah t'as vu la banane?
La barbe à papa top. Super top. donne envie de goûter
We
ça.
are in Black Tap in next to the Madina Souk in Al Wasim hotel.
J'enlève ça ou pas?
Ouais, je pense.
Dis.
Ça fait les larmes aux yeux.
Je suis trop contente.
I want to cry. Trop beau la vérité.
C'est super.
We arrived at the show and it's beautiful, guys. If you're in Dubai, I really recommend it.
Yes.
Yes.
Really, really.
Really, yes, of course.
C'est trop beau, franchement.
Non, c'est magnifique, franchement.
C'est vraiment très beau.
On vous le conseille, c'est vraiment magnifique. Maintenant, on va voir le spectacle ici.